Why am I the only one talking about Fort Bragg? Imagine this. It's a Friday evening after a busy day of work. Hit the road. The destination, one of California's best kept secrets, Fort Bragg. Our home base for the weekend, the Beachcomber Hotel, set just outside of town, overlooking the ocean and the beach. The views are everything you'd ever want after a long drive. Pure tranquility. If you ever find yourself in the area, I highly recommend staying here. It's the perfect way to escape the crowds and catch the beautiful view of the ocean. With most places already closed by the time we arrive, we lucked out at my infusion, and honestly, no regrets. A delicious meal at the end of a day before we called it a night. The next morning, we woke up bright and early to catch that something special. That classic morning fog rolling over the ocean, burning off as the sun climbed. There's something about watching the world wake up while sipping on some coffee. Speaking of coffee, we grabbed a fantastic breakfast at Headland Coffee House, a cozy spot that not only serves great coffee, but also a solid breakfast to fuel up for the day.
All right, so Chelsea and I just finished breakfast at this cute little coffee shop. Now we're headed down to the beach in Fort Bragg.
With our stomachs full and caffeine kicking in, we wandered through Fort Bragg. It's a small town, but packs a lot of charm. As we explored, we decided to head a bit south to the town of Mendocino. Mendocino has such personality. It's a cute gift shops, market, art gallery type of place. After some time of wandering downtown, checking out the scene, we were able to venture onto the trails that skirt the coastline. The ocean views here are breathtaking, peaceful, and powerful.
We are taking a walk along the coast of California in Mendocino. So the city of Mendocino has a lot of beautiful, small boutique shops and restaurants. Saw a lot of art shops there as well. So it's really definitely a place to come visit. Low-key, relaxing, nothing too crazy. So one thing to mention is that we are actually staying in Fort Bragg, which is the big city up here. And Friday night, most things were closed by 9, 8:30, 9. So, you know, if you're coming out here to, you know, go out drinking and stuff, this is probably not the spot for you. But still, nonetheless, it's a beautiful spot. Very low-key, nothing too crazy. Beautiful views, enjoying the day, just walking along the coast. There's a cave right behind us. We just want to enjoy the weekend. We don't want to do anything too crazy. Have a good time. Go out during the day, see places, great food, enjoy nature.
From Mendocino, we headed back to Fort Bragg to explore one of the area's most famous spots, Glass Beach. It's a unique place with the remnants of old glass turned into beautiful smooth pebbles by the sea. Exploring the tide pools here was the perfect way to wind down a beautiful day.
We're here at Glass Beach, which used to be littered with glass, but now there's like kind of little pieces of glass on the beach that have been ground down by the water, so it's safe to walk. So you get things like this, kind of on the sea. A lot of people have picked the glass off the beach, so you don't see kind of hunt for it a little bit.
Day 2 brought us to the highlight of the trip, whale watching.
We are about to go check out some whales in Fort Bragg. Gray whales. Gray whales.
Yeah,
Gray or gray?
Gray.
Gray whales.
We saw several different species up close, following them as they swam gracefully along the side of the boat. It's one thing to hear about these incredible creatures, but seeing them in person, it's truly unforgettable.
We are all done whale watching. We saw a couple different pods of gray whales right off the shore. Lots of whales and a pod of Rizzo dolphins.
Yeah, that's fine. It was phenomenal. 10 out of 10.
We're gonna go get some fish and chips now.
Yeah.
All right.
After the tour, we stopped for some classic coastal food, fish and chips, and a bowl of clam chowder and a sourdough bread ball. Simple, fresh, man, so good. The rest of the day was about exploring the coast. We made our way down to Bowling Ball Beach, and though the tide was too high to get close, the view from a distance was still spectacular. Sometimes it's just about being in the moment, soaking in the beauty the California coast has to offer. This weekend was the perfect escape from the hustle, from the crowds, from everything. Mendocino and Fort Bragg offer more than just beautiful views. They offer a sense of peace, of quiet, of reconnection with nature. If you're ever looking to get away, to truly unwind and see some of California's most untouched paradise, this is the place to be. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path.